we interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of NORAD and the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 50 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles from Russia. These missiles are expected to impact in the following cities within the next 30-60 minutes: Boston, Massachusetts; New York City, New York; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania; Baltimore, Maryland; Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia; Raleigh, North Carolina; Charlotte, North Carolina; Atlanta, Georgia; Jacksonville, Florida; Miami, Florida; New Orleans, Louisiana; Memphis, Tennessee; Nashville, Tennessee; Louisville, Kentucky; Columbus, Ohio; Detroit, Michigan; Indianapolis, Indiana; Chicago, Illinois; Milwaukee, Wisconsin; Minneapolis, Minnesota; Omaha, Nebraska; Kansas City, Missouri; Wichita, Kansas; Tulsa, Oklahoma; Oklahoma City, Oklahoma; Dallas, Texas; Fort Worth, Texas; Arlington, Texas; Austin, Texas; San Antonio, Texas; Houston, Texas; El Paso, Texas; Albuquerque, New Mexico; Colorado Springs, Colorado; Denver, Colorado; Tucson, Arizona; San Diego, California; Los Angeles, California; Long Beach, California; Las Vegas, Nevada; Fresno, California; San Jose, California; San Francisco, California; Oakland, California; Sacramento, California; Portland, Oregon; and Seattle, Washington. All residents within a 250-mile radius of these cities are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure could lead to death. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. Attack warning means an actual attack against the United States is taking place, and protective action should be taken. Grab items such as enough non-perishable food, water, flashlights, and medical supplies to last at least 2 weeks. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.